I agree with you totally. I agree totally with Dr. Oburu Oginga. What is happening in Siaya today, Siaya County, is a big embarrassment. What is happening in Siaya is a big embarrassment. As a cabinet secretary, I traveled to all these counties. But Siaya County is not only an embarrassment to us, but is indeed something extremely shameful. That Siaya County has become the laughing stock in the community of counties in this country. Adam Rakua Gavan Mamarwa. Please, Governor, focus on service delivery to the people of Siaya. Kizi hospitali zikomuleka yapo onge. Kizi kutamana temeja. Yande kata mana jogo matiyo milo mano community hand workers.